Number plate light replacement on this Honda Accord. As you can see, the left hand side is working and the driver's side one is not. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to remove and replace that item. Here's a close-up of that assembly. Now on this we have this plastic cover, which means we kind of have two ways to access these. We can take off this plastic surround, which give us enough room to get in and dislodge that assembly, or we go on the underside, whichever is easier, and disconnect all of those tabs and remove this whole cover complete, and you'll have access from the back. So as I'm going to be going from the outside, I'm going to be using some trim tools like this. I'm going to be trying to feel where the actual connector clips are and pry as close to them as possible and take down that plastic piece. If you're going from the underside, it may be a lot safer if you don't have some trim tools. Okay, I've pried in there, dislodged it, and you can see that white plastic clip. I've also got these ones, which are stronger fitting, which I'm going to reach right in there and then just pry down. And that has disconnected that one, and I'm going to be moving along and doing the remainder. Okay, so you can see the type of clips that's in that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And if you gently pry beside each one of them, you'll get them out without any breakage. Now that I have that panel removed, it's time to remove the light assembly. If you look here, you can see a slightly larger tab sticking down. That is the side that retains it in. This is which doesn't have a clip, so this side is the one that needs to be pressed in. So what I'm going to do is use the trim tool to try and press in on that side, and down it comes. So all I did there was push this in, which then releases that clip. It's retained in there, and we have access to that holder. It's going to be connected electrically inside, and what you do if it's in position like this is you push in on these tabs, which gives you access to the bulb. The bulb then comes straight out, and we can then replace that. Got the new one here. Push that in. Always recommend checking at this stage before you fit anything else back, in case there's a wiring issue or something that's causing this one other than the bulb to be the issue. You can also have a quick visual on the filament in there and see, in this case it is broken, but I'll just check and make sure that that's working. And as you can see, we have light there, so this one is good to be all put back. All you have to do is remember the orientation that it goes. So this tab that's sticking down is the retaining part. So you can see that that retains it in, and this is the clip one. This can be a little bit temperamental to get in because you have to push in on both sides, but there's a retaining part of it there. I'll try and zoom in a bit better. You can see that retaining tab that sits on this section, and you have to push in on the other ones. Hopefully that was focused for you there. That's now clipped in. you can see the kind of centering point there. You put in this side first. So you push in on that side and then clip. And the good thing about finishing off is once you have the clips taken out, it's a simple press in. So you just line it up and start to press. And that is it. That's how you successfully install a number plate light on a Honda Accord. This is the 2008 and onwards model, and it is pretty straightforward overall. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.